Are you ready to transform your mornings into a powerhouse of productivity? Healthy smoothies can be your secret weapon. Start your day with a smoothie that combines fruits, vegetables, and nutritious add-ins to fuel both your body and mind. Consider a classic green smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk for a refreshing boost. Adding a scoop of protein powder can help sustain your energy levels throughout the day. For a tropical twist, try blending pineapple, mango, and coconut water to hydrate and rejuvenate. Don't forget about incorporating healthy fats. A tablespoon of almond butter or chia seeds can enhance your smoothie's nutritional value while keeping you satiated. Enhance your mental clarity by adding superfoods like spirulina or matcha. These ingredients not only provide antioxidants but also support cognitive function. To make your smoothies even more effective, practice mindful eating techniques. Savor each sip, focus on the flavors, and appreciate the nourishment. By adopting this morning ritual, you're setting a positive tone for your day that promotes better health and well-being. So, grab your blender and start your journey to a more productive day with delicious, healthy smoothies.